उसे।
सोनम भले ही टाइफॉइड के साइड इफेक्ट से गुजर रही हो, बट स्टिल देयर इज नो स्टॉपिंग ऑफ दिस डीवा। हाल ही में कॉस्मोपॉलिटन मैगजीन के लिए सोनम ने किया एक क्रेजी फोटोशूट, जहां नजर आया सोनम का इंटरनेशनल साइड, जिसने उन्हें बना दिया हमारा हॉट फैक्टर।
B-Town की आयशा recently नजर आई on the cover of Cosmopolitan, yet again in a newer and of course more cosmopolitan avatar with a new chick, smart, and we couldn't resist saying cute hairstyle. Sonam's looking all the rage on the cover of Cosmo this season. Check her out as she gets into 6 different looks only for one of your favorite fashion magazines, Cosmo. So let's check out what Sonam's doing, looking all sexy in this multicolored patch dress. It's lycra all the way, says Sonam. Looks like Sonam's in a very sporty mood. Seems like you're 30 going on 13, Sonam. पर चेकआउट कीजिए सोनम को इस स्मार्ट इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल्ड आउटफिट में। इस ऑलिव आउटफिट में सोनम लग रही है काफी मिलिट्री। Those shots in that jacket is surely making your legs look way more sexier, Sonam. Keep it up with the legs. By the way, are you competing with Kareena on that size 0 figure? Let's move on to Sonam's usual diva look that she has tried before as well. Its sheer gold tube dress में Sonam's definitely managing to look hotter than ever. And Sonam, it's amazing how you pull off that jungle red lip color with equal grace all the time. Well, talking of grace, that is exactly the compliment that suits you in this amazing overcoat in the satin lining. With that, you should definitely be in Paris. What are you still doing here? आपका ये नया bohemian angle हमें आया काफी पसंद. With the winters approaching, this is definitely the way to dress up, Sonam. And you surely do it in style with that woolly towel and the knee-length dress. As far as the socks and boots are concerned, stylish and playful. The perfect statement for a warm winter, and keep up that smile as long as you can, Sonam. Goes well with your looks. Well, लगता है कि Sonam was definitely loving her experiments और ये Bollywood babe carry off कर सकती है almost anything. Even with these wide-legged flared trousers and the asymmetrical plaid jacket, Sonam's looking hot with that woolen cap, adding to the smartness quotient. You almost reminded us of Avara, Sonam. Well, आपके इस next gorgeous look की तो बात ही कुछ और है, Sonam, जहाँ आप लग रही हैं एकदम hot in the one-sleeved and one-shoulder tube dresses, but you're definitely looking hotter in the animal print and the figure-hugging zipper tube than the black one. Well, you definitely prove what a lovely and beautiful lady you are with that combination of long velvety overcoat and the patterned beige gown, and those boots are absolutely killer. Well, एक बात तो है, Sonam, boots definitely suit you and the jumper along with those killer looks. However, Sonam, we really think you could have experimented with the hair a bit more. And the one-shouldered red dress, a bit of a cliched look, don't you think, Sonam? Well, हमें तो लगता है कि it was a good performance overall, but a bit of a repetition. You don't want us to get bored soon, do you, Sonam? Anyway, all the best for the future.